Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Android overheating. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if we want to fix our Android overheating, first of all, we need to go to our setting. We're going to use the device care feature to fix Android overheating. You have to search for the device care feature in your Android mobile phone and then go to the diagnostics. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. All right, and we can go to the app battery usage diagnostics, and here we'll be able to detect some application which is using too much battery. If there are some applications using too much battery in your Android mobile phone, it will appear right here, and then you will be able to fix the application. Okay, but if you don't have this feature in your Android mobile phone, don't worry guys, because I'm going to show you another method to fix Android overheating. You can go to the app setting in your Android mobile phone, this one, and then choose the application which is detected using too much battery or which is detected causing the Android overheating. Let's say that my CapCut application caused the Android overheating, so I'm gonna open the CapCut and then I'm gonna go to the battery. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on restricted. It will restrict battery usage while this app is running in the background. You can also force this application to stop, so this application will be stopped automatically and the Android overheating will be fixed. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.